Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Saeco Xelsis with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues, but mainly that all the water that was trying to get brewed in here was going straight to the drip tray. And so opening it up, looking around, realized that this valve actually is replaced behind or placed behind the brew unit. And this actually what gives the brew unit your hot water. And so the gaskets were just super worn out. It was chewing all the water, and you can also see damage on them. It's kind of hard to see. There you are. And so we replaced the entire valve. We usually do this on a tune-up, but the customer just requested that we get this replaced, and that's it. So we did nothing else to the machine. No cleaning procedures or anything like that, just a wipe down of the outside. But yeah, so now we are brewing. So we're going to quickly just brew a espresso. Yeah, let's see that. So brew unit's in place, or in the home position, what we would call it, and then it's going to start grinding. Brew unit's going to move closer to us, and it's going to tamp itself against the it's a little tiny part of the machine up here that it pushes against, and then it starts to brew. And it'll go straight to the spouts. So before, when it'll start brewing, like right now, water would go straight into the tray and no water will go into the brew unit, and then you have dry grounds in your container. But as you can see, brewing well. This is really old coffee, so don't worry about the crema on it. Once you put fresh coffee in there, you should be all good. We're just making sure all the water gets into brewing, which it did. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.